Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is the ordinaryThe 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. This 10 minutes exfoliating peel treating the top layer of skin, AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution exfoliates for a brighter and clearer complexion. Fighting visible blemishes. Continued weekly use reduces pore congestion and fine lines for a bright, youthful complexion. AHAs means alpha-hydroxy acids and BHAs means beta-hydroxy acids are used in skincare for chemical exfoliation to target dullness, textural irregularities, and lackluster tone. Chemical exfoliants function to promote exfoliation of the outer layer of the skin by loosening the topmost layer of dead skin. In removing dead skin cells, skin feels smoother, looks brighter, and pores are kept clear. This can be particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin, skin with post-acne pigmentation, or skin that appears dull and feels rough. How to use this solution. This treatment should be used after cleansing, in the PM. Start by cleansing your face and patting it dry. Do not apply on wet skin. Next, apply the product evenly, like a mask across your face and neck, using your fingertips, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 10 minutes. Lastly, rinse thoroughly with water. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes during application and rinse off. This solution can be used 2 times per week, as it contains acids that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of sunburn. You should use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product, and for 1 week afterwards. The experts don't recommend combining this product in the same regimen as products containing peptides, ethylated vitamin C, and other direct acids like glycolic, lactic, mandelic, salicylic, etc. The formula is a very high concentration of acids, so it's recommended to use only if you're an experienced user of acids and don't have sensitive, peeling, or compromised skin. Above all, remember to patch test before first use. Follow the above application guidance. Don't leave the product on your skin for too long, and protect your skin from the sun after use. Final thought. This is an excellent product. I use it on and off in my skincare routine. Yeah, it's little bit sting when you apply it, but stinging is not as much you can't bear it. It's normal that the product work on your skin. This solution clear up my skin, and this one was the only one that worked in blemishes, acne scars, and fine lines. Vanished in a few weeks. Thanks for watching.